Next one is sleep. This is what we talked about, Scott, a minute ago too, with sleep. This is like to draw this one out, okay? Sleep talks about C1 here, very top, easy to see. Blood supply of the head, pituitary gland, scalp, bones of the face, brain, blah, blah, blah. Sympathetic nervous system. Do you know what that is? Okay. Sympathetic? Let's do this. Sympathetic. Let's use a mark that actually works. Here. Sympathetic is a little bit like you're being pathetic. Okay? Hope that doesn't disrupt anyone.
No offense.
Good, because I want to make sure, Scott. Make sure. Sympathetic is when your body's in a stress state. Okay? That's when your body goes from being relaxed to being, as this paper says, causing headaches, nervousness, insomnia, chronic tiredness, fatigue, dizziness, nervous breakdowns, migraines, high blood pressure, colds, things like that too. Okay? That is when your body's under stress. Your brain goes into a stress state. We talked about nervousness before in here. Okay? Same thing with insomnia, sleep. Your body doesn't recharge from sleep. You need sleep, alpha sleep, not delta sleep, we actually get the REM sleep. So at that point, things stay that way the whole